Okay, I want to say this. I was out today and I was on the train going towards downtown. And, it was kind of crowded today. And what disturbed me is this young man got on the train and he had his music on. But instead of him having the earpiece in his ears, he had the music playing very loud. Now, what is the dumb part? There's a female with him and she's not saying anything about it. The music was so disrespectful. I just wanted to take the device and just slam it down to the floor. Let me explain something. If you're going to ride on public transportation, nobody wants to hear no music talking about D's and P's and B's. That is really disrespectful and it's very ignorant of you to ride on public transportation playing this music that loud. Then you look up at the person to whom you with to try to say you guys get some confirmation. And some of these songs you all should not listen to. I don't care who make them. They are so degraded and so disrespectful. But to play them loud for everybody here, if you want to listen to that, put the earpiece in your ears and you listen to it. We don't all need to hear that. And young women, if you're walking with these guys and you dating these men, have some respect for yourself and not be subjected to that because it's not a good look for you with your man sitting there playing all this mess that's disrespecting and downgrading women. Come on now. When y'all gonna think more of yourself than what you think of yourself because that's a reflection on you. And then me and you sit up there with this mess that you listening to, that's reflection on you too. It don't make no sense. Cut that crap out.